made this video a long time ago. But it was unlisted, so I thought I'd repost it because I'm famous. You might have had the link before, or probably not, so enjoy.
This will all be edited out. Okay, Jasper wanted to make this video because he saw Elijah's cooking videos, so step one, first thing you want to do is get 2 baking sheets and put parchment paper on it. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. You get 2 cups of flour in a bowl.
You got messy on your hands.
This is an interesting fact. We keep the soda above the stove in case there's a grease fire.
Cool. You get 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Ew!
Pink salt from the Himalayas. Yeah. That's the good stuff.
You're acting.
Epic. From there, you whisk it all together.
Jasper, did you eat some salt? Ruben made me do it.
Of brown sugar.
I just ate some salt. It was a handful of it. I was gonna spank.
Okay, so you get the sugar and you whisk it together until it's a nice mixture of white and brown sugar. You get 10 tablespoons of melted butter.
Hey, girl, hey!
You can get 2 eggs ready because you'll need them. So the butter is melted. You pour it into the bowl with the sugars. You whisk it in. You crack 2 eggs into it. You whisk the eggs in. Get some of this vanilla extract. 1 whole tablespoon of it. You get all of the sugar and liquids and pour it into the flour. Swoosh, baby. We got the dough in there. Then you get 2 cups of chocolate chips. You get a spoonful of the dough. It's 2 inches apart. And try and make it as close to a ball as you can. Whoops, I'm gonna die.
What?
I ate some of the dough. Do you know what that means, Jasper?
What?
Hey, Mom.
I kind of...
You can eat some dough, but just go like that. If you...
Uh-oh, Jasper. Did you eat that?
It had a little bit on it.
Do you know what that means?
No, I'm not gonna die.
Once you have the cookie dough spread on the baking sheet, you put the cookies into the hot oven. In the top oven, you can only cook 1 at a time. So, in 14 minutes, check them, and if they're ready, we'll put this one in.
And wait until they're ready. Don't sleep while you're waiting.
While it's baking, you can clean up the cooking space.